Hi everyone, thanks for joining. So, a very good evening to everyone. So, welcome to the very first episode of Think Small, where we are going to talk to small businesses and their small steps towards a bigger future. So, for the very first episode, we have with us Mood Petals, aka Soumya. So, let's wait for Soumya to join. Yeah. Hi
Hi,
Soumya, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good too. So, Soumya, let's start by introducing your brand to the audience.
So basically, More Petals is a brand for one-stop destination for jewelry. We try to sell as affordable and pocket-friendly jewelry as possible. And basically, when we all were locked in our homes, so I was just going to Pinterest and Instagram all the time. And my jewelry obsession is since a long time. But right now, it just enlarged because of this lockdown. And I tried making it, and people loved it. So here I am.
Nice, nice. So,
Uh,
how did you
So
start?
even I wanted to ask something. You also have a brand, Pre-Loved Official, right? So what was your motto behind that brand? Like, what made you choose thrifting and not something else? Like you
All right,
started this.
got it, got it. Very, first of all, very beautiful journey of how Mood Petal started. And when it comes to how Pre-Love started, it basically started with the combination of two things: laziness and the urge to do something for the earth.
Yeah,
So, jab, when we are lazy, so what's the biggest thing that we have in our home while sitting at home? It's obviously the full closet of clothes.
closet
And
of
we
clothes.
most
Yeah.
exactly, and we do not have and we do not get so many opportunities to mostly wear those clothes, or those clothes not fit us but are in perfect shape and size. So at first I reached out to my closet, took out some things, looked at it if they are sellable, and after my clothes got exhausted, I reached out to other sellers all over the Instagram and all other sellers as well who were already having a thrift store. So with the combination of that, we started Pre-Loved, and yeah, it's going good for now. So, Soumya, I
Yeah,
wanted to
great,
ask
great.
you, yeah, I wanted to ask you, what's the next step after this? Are you planning to join any marketplace like Flipkart or Amazon or any other like that?
No, not as such. But I'm thinking of launching a website soon. But Amazon, Flipkart अच्छे options है. But उस पे we have disadvantages and advantages as well. मतलब उस पे आपको you have to reach out to Amazon ka warehouse and everything, and I'm unable to manage all those things. Like Instagram is helping me a lot to grow my business, and I'm thinking of a website, but not Amazon or Flipkart yet.
Got it, got it.
So I had a question, like
Yeah.
someone who has just started with their business, how should they advertise themselves? Like I had no one to guide me or no one to help me out. So what's your point on that?
Okay. So the first thing is in identify your audience. Like for me, for Pre-Love, my audience is mostly young people who are in college or in school, or even
Quality.
people who have just started working. So I have to see that what's the age group, and after some research, I got to know that mostly people are there on Instagram or on Pinterest. So I have to target these social media pages, and
Yeah,
also with this, I have to see that what's the reach and what's the conversion of it. For example, if my reach, I'll just see my insights of the page and see if I'm reaching
yeah,
1,000 people, so how many daily orders am I making? If the percentage
yeah.
is around 4 to 5%, so it's good enough. So I can see that, yeah, the conversion rate is good enough, and I have to reach more people, so I can go for the
More people.
sponsored ads. Yeah, so I can go for the sponsored ads for that. But if I see that the reach is good, but the conversion rate is not good, so I may work on my products in that way so that the conversion rate is better. So before the sponsored ads, I will work on the page itself, on the items
Items.
that I'm selling. Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. So yeah, I think for the very beginning, this is it. Just do not go for the
And even
sponsored ads.
collabs works,
Exactly.
but we have to
Mm-hmm.
like go through their profiles and check out their reach as well, so that you
Mm-hmm.
know, because we
Yeah,
just
so
give
true.
them free items to collab.
Mm-hmm.
So we should check their reach out.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah,
We have to see the audience, that the audience of the influencers need, like, are of the same age group, are of the same demographics as our audience. And yeah, after some
yeah.
research, we can do the collaborations as well. All right,
Collaborations, yes.
exactly. So, Soumya, what is that one advice that you would like to give to yourself when you started?
Basically, the first advice I would give to myself was you shouldn't invest so much in jewelry and कोई भी business when you start, because you don't know whether it's gonna work or not for you and as well as the people. Your audience will like it or not. So don't invest too much. And this collab and advertising, marketing, yes, sir, it's good, but you should reach out to people yourself as well and ask for help, because you
Mm-hmm.
are just learning and growing. So
Exactly.
मैंने तो बहुत हेल्प मांगी थी लोगों से and people helped me a lot. So that's a good thing कि आप लोगों को मांगो help. And
Mm-hmm.
one more advice would be start making reels, because reels are a good option right now, because it
So
helps our
true.
business to grow a lot. Yeah,
So true.
the reach,
I have seen actually many businesses growing through reels,
yeah, grow
like we
reels,
met,
right, right,
yeah, we
and
discussed,
post
right?
very
We've
frequently. Yeah,
exactly, like many small businesses have got reach in millions just because of the reels. So
of
reels
reels,
have
yeah.
like exactly a very good reach about that. All right.
So what do you
So
think? How can we grow more instead of Reels or some other options of Instagram? Like going to marketplaces or something? Should we start our business on different social media platforms as well?
mhm.
Or just
I think
Instagram is enough?
I think an omni-channel approach is good. Like if we are having our presence on channels where our audience is, like on Instagram or on Facebook or on Pinterest, we can have like or if it's Twitter, we can have our profiles on different platforms. And obviously, I'm not telling about marketplaces, because marketplace sometimes have their own limitations, or sometimes they are very good for some businesses. Like
Some
we were
businesses, yeah.
discussing before, right? Like you had the return policy thing, because the margins
Yeah,
that you guys have is very low. So for the return
very low.
policies, exactly, sometimes it's very
Because we have to
difficult.
pay the shipping charges of returns as well. We can't ask the
Hmm.
customer to pay us the return charges as well as the shipping charges to reach them. So it's very
Hmm.
tough for us to give this policies of return and all. But on Amazon and Flipkart, you have to provide this. So there are many disadvantages as well as advantages.
Advantages as
So
well. Yeah, like we
yeah.
can, like if the business is suitable, so we can even go to any marketplace, because obviously the
Marketplace,
reach is
yeah. If
tremendous.
you are
Yeah.
comfortable, because I can't
Hmm.
pay so much attention. I have other work as well. Like I'm in
Exactly.
school, I have to check out my school work as well. So it's not comfortable for me to handle Instagram as well as Amazon and Flipkart. So right now I'm thinking of a website, but not Instagram and Flipkart.
Okay, okay. And I think one
Yeah.
more thing that we should do shamelessly is ask for help. Like when
Ask
I
for help,
started
yeah.
exactly, when I
Even I
started
did.
pre-loved, yeah, yeah, like
And I
I
was
had to
so
onboard.
frequent when I started. Yeah, because
Okay.
frequent posts say you get on people's feed and explore.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess
Yeah.
it helps a lot.
Exactly, exactly. And I think people are quite sweet on Instagram, because even
Social
though
media, yeah.
yeah, on social media, even though
We
there's so
don't
much negativity, but still there are so many people who will help you. Like when I
help you.
started pre-loved, I had like I reached out to around 50 sellers, but obviously the response was only from 2 to 3 sellers. But the response that I got was really nice. They helped me with the onboarding of all the items, with the website as well. And even till now, whenever there's any help needed, they help me with this.
They help me, yeah.
Even when I started this thing small, I reached out to you, right? And you have
Yeah,
helped
yeah.
me from the very beginning. So I can definitely say that people are really helpful if you know how to reach out. And yeah, there's
Yeah.
not. it's not necessary that you have to have a previous connection with them. Even if you want to start it at that moment, just reach out for help.
Reach
Even
out to
if you
people.
reach
Yeah.
out to 100 people, at least 5 to 6 of them will respond, and you will
Respond.
get
Yeah.
help from anyone. Exactly. So, coming to the social commerce angle, what is that one feature you would like Instagram to have so that it would help your business?
Obviously, a shopping cart option because it will help a lot to all the small businesses. It would help a lot to all the small businesses because people like to shop from Instagram and online stores are loved right now. So we should have a Instagram feature in which there's a shopping option from for small businesses. Like we had an option right now, support small
Mm-hmm.
business wala.
Yeah.
Yeah. So instead of reels,
Mm-hmm.
reels also help us, but instead of reels, they should start like an Instagram shopping option so that people can reach out to other small businesses and help them grow
Mm-hmm.
because they are working very hard to reach.
Yeah. Yeah. True, true.
Yeah.
So let's see. We have some comments. Yeah, people were commenting that some of the influencers have fake followers too. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
true. For any
They
collaborations,
have
we have to research first. Exactly.
that
We
how
have
many
to
reach,
do.
views they get, likes they get. Don't just collaborate as soon as you get a message because we get messages daily for collaborations, but we have to check whether it's worth or not. So don't do
Exactly, exactly.
collaborations without any research.
True, true. So, yeah, I think we are coming to the end of the first episode. Yeah, it's very small because it's almost 8 o'clock and it's most people's dinner
Yeah,
time.
dinner
So,
time. Yeah,
yeah,
even
exactly.
mine.
So, so thanks for joining so much, Soumya. You can, if you guys
Thank
have
you.
missed
My
anything,
pleasure.
I I will upload this on IGTV as well as on YouTube as well. That I will link it after this live. All right. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.